Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own websites from scratch, step by step using Lovable. Don't worry, I will keep everything simple, fun, and totally beginner friendly. So if you're ready to learn, create, and level up your online presence, stick with your Lovable host and let's get started. And remember, like, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Once you get into the Lovable page, you click on Get Started. You choose Google or GitHub. Once you choose your Google account, you will face this page. You can invite your teammates or you can just click Finish. You're pretty much done creating your account on Lovable. And remember, we're using the free version, which is limited, but it's gonna work. So for this step, we're gonna need ChatGPT. So you head to ChatGPT and you ask for a prompt. I have this prompt right here, which will be in the description box. I will create a website using Lovable AI. Can you help me by providing a descriptive prompt for a clothes shopping website? Of course, you can change the type of website depending on your niche. Click on the arrow. So ChatGPT gave us the key requirements: color, typography, layout, navigation, homepage section, all the detail, products page. Of course, these are adjustable, brand style, and overall experience. You can just replace everything depending on your preference, from the color to typography, uh, products page design, brand style, etc. So what we gonna do is copying this prompt. We go back to Lovable, paste the prompt, and here you can replace anything you want. Click on the send arrow. It's gonna take a few minutes. You will get a pop-up for enabling notification. You can by clicking enable notifications or click on later. It took about 5 minutes, but I had to cut it so you don't wait. Okay, so let's check out our quick website. So we have the header. They named the website Eleve. Women, men, new arrivals, bestsellers, sales, the search icon, the profile icon. This is the cart icon. The text, have the background of a model. Shop now, explore collections. If you scroll, you have category section, women, men accessories, new arrivals for new products. If you hover on the product, you see a little animation, which is good. You have the button lighten up or darken. You have the price. We're heading to the footer. You have the lookbook in here. If you hover, you have city, sophisticate, and weekend escape. A little bit of a theme, inspiration for people who want to shop on your website. Here you have some reviews of people, or where will the reviews appear. Here you are almost in the footer. You have a subscribe or join button, and here's your footer with a little description about your shopping website. To edit, you need to come to this prompt, but keep in mind you have very limited credits as a free user. So here you see you have 2.6 credit remaining. So let's, for example, work on the name. Change the name of the website brand to high fashion. That was a little quick. You see it's high fashion. Let's scroll to the footer area. It has changed here as well. For example, if you want to add promo to your products, you just ask Lovable for that. And speaking of promo, we have always updated promo code for new upcoming AI tools. All you need to do is go to our website, go to the home page, go to all AI tools, check in the has promo code icon, and you will see all the AI tools that have promo code available, which will help you save extra money. All right, back to our website building. We said let's add a promo icon to our product. So in simple words, add a circle icon for promo or high value under every new arrival product. Make sure when editing mention this section where you want to make the edit. For example, this one will have a new arrival so that the AI does not edit other sections. And remember, when we made the first edit, it took about 0.70 credits. We had 2.6, now it's 1.9. So be careful with your credits as a free user, or you can upgrade for full access and more freedom to customize your website based on what you prefer. The change is done. You can see the promo icon and the high value here. Of course, you can adjust them based on the type of product. If they have promo, they have high value. For example, in the category, we see only women, men accessories. Let's add an extra category. So in the category section, add kids clothing section 2. Here you have your kids option. After you make all the changes needed for your website, you click on publish. You have many options here. You can see the website info, and you can add a custom domain. If you click on the plus icon, you can see that you can buy a domain or connect a domain that you already bought. And go back here. If you click on publish from Lovable, this will be your URL, but it will be linked to Lovable app, of course, right here. If you click on it, all right, so your website is now hosted under Lovable. You can scroll, you can see all the changes we have made right here, but of course none of these pages are clickable because we have not worked on the single page feature as well. You can do that using Lovable, but you need more credits, of course. And speaking of credits, if you go back here and click upgrade, you can see their plans. They have the Pro, Business, Enterprise. You can book a demo from Lovable directly, and you can get 100 credits monthly for $25, and you get 5 daily credits up to 150 a month. So basically you can have up to 250 credits per month, because you will get the instant 100 for the plan, and you will get daily 5 to accumulate into 150. Don't forget that you can adjust the amount of credits you need from here if you click 200, but the price is gonna go up. That was about it for today's video. If you learned from it, please leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next one.